In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for filmmaking. We'll build a simple, professional workflow you can use from first idea to final delivery. Start by opening Milanote and creating a new board. Give it a clear name like short film project or YouTube film so it's easy to find later. This board becomes your production hub, the single place where your ideas, plans, and files live. Think of it as your virtual wall of index cards and images. You can drag things around freely, zoom in for detail, and zoom out to see the big picture. Next, set up your workflow with columns that mirror the filmmaking process: concept or ideas, script, storyboard, pre-production, production, post-production, and final output. Naming these upfront creates a clear path for every task and asset. If you like, use colors or simple labels to make each stage stand out and keep your team aligned at a glance. Begin developing your concept by dropping in notes for your story idea, the genre and tone you're aiming for, your target audience, and the core message. Short, punchy notes are great here. Capture the mood and intention so anyone joining the project can understand what you're making and why. Move into writing your script. Break it into scenes, then add dialogue and action notes. Keep everything organized per scene. One card per scene works well, so it's easy to reorder, trim, or expand as your story evolves. Clear scene labels help when you transition to planning shots. Now create your storyboard. Add images or quick sketches for each scene and include details like camera angles, shot types, and movement. This becomes your visual plan and guides your shoot. Arrange frames in sequence so you can walk through the story beat by beat. Plan pre-production by creating sections for locations, cast and crew, props and wardrobe, and your shooting schedule. Centralizing these details reduces last-minute confusion and makes it simple to confirm logistics. Organize assets by uploading or linking scripts, reference videos, music ideas, and visual inspiration. Keeping everything in one place saves time and ensures the whole team is working from the same materials. As you start working, track production by moving tasks and cards from pre-production to filming to editing to done. This keeps progress visible and helps you spot bottlenecks early. For post-production, collect editing notes, sound design ideas, and color grading plans. Include time codes or rough cuts to keep feedback specific. Finally, review and share. Send the board to your team or client and use presentation mode when you're